And boom guys, look at this, we have this welcome and all these features. First we have stats, so farming. Hey guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I'll be showing you how I got Blox Fruits scripts absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then you will find scripts, click there and just click on Blox Fruits and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and you will find instruction, or let me just show you. So open your official profile on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue guys, and let's see. As you can see, it's connected, and now we must answer this question. So do you have Delta? No. Import the newest? Yes. And select script that you want to add to your account guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Blox Fruits, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Now let's wait a little bit and let's see. Nice guys, AP connected. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 3 games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will not Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, and let's see the next step. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the book check. Blox Fruits scripts are important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's test does it actually work. So let's see guys. And guys, I'm now in the game, and as you can see we have this panel. Thank you for using Delta. We have that message, and look at this, all scripts are added successfully. So let me check these niches. Just click execute and let's wait a little bit and let's see. And boom guys, look at this, we have this welcome and all these features. First we have stats, so farming, auto farming. So look at this guys, this is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.